Do you like to play miniature golf or putt-putt? Well, I have a very simple, easy, creative way to make a DIY miniature golf that involves common household recyclables. So let's go ahead and take a look at the ways that you can make a DIY miniature golf. So in the picture on the left, you can see that your putter is made out of a toilet paper tube on the bottom, and then the handle that you hold is a paper towel tube, and they're connected by tape. Your golf ball is a paper ball, a crumpled paper ball, or a foil ball, and your hole is a box turned on its side with a paper flag on it. And there's some obstacles in the way, of course, like any great miniature golf course would have. So you could have various different recyclables as those obstacles. Here it is a 10 individual pack of oatmeal turned on its side with a arch cut out of it. You could also use granola bar containers. You could have various other types of plastic bottles along the way that you can set up as some obstacles to get from the tee unto the hole. In the middle here, I have an up-close picture of the hole itself. So on each hole, you could have a physical activity. So when you complete each hole, you would do that physical activity just to add a little bit more of a physically active twist to this classic game. So at hole number 3, there is a jumping jack. So you would do 3 jumping jacks. You also could do it, you'd perform that number of jumping jacks based on how many times it took you to hit the ball into the hole. You could also put a academic twist to DIY miniature golf by having 1 tee and then 2 holes. So it might be looking at a word and deciding if it's a noun or a verb. For example, in the picture on the right, there's the word dog. Is dog a verb or is dog a noun? So the individual would have to start at the tee and then putt to the noun hole. And going up here, a ramp, which is 2 cups turned upside down, and then part of a cereal box cut out and taped to it for the ramp. Again, you could do this with all different types of physical activities at each hole. That would be both age appropriate or developmentally appropriate. And you can add different academics to each hole. It could be looking at math problems, it could be language arts, it could be vocabulary words, it could be a question and answer for review. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead and give it a try in making your own DIY miniature golf with some very exciting and creative holes as well as obstacles at each of those holes.